The Middle East and North Africa is today enjoying real economic growth with expanding business and significant state investment. MENACORP, the investment bank, specialises in the region, and with me is CEO Fathi Ben Grira. Fathi, welcome.
Thank you.
MENACORP is based in the UAE, so why is this a strategically important location?
As you just said, we cover the whole Middle East and North Africa region. That's why our company is called MENACORP, MENA standing for Middle East and North Africa. Some of our competitors chose to cover the region through Qatar, Bahrain or Egypt. These are great places to run the business, but we believe that the UAE gives us a really competitive edge compared to the other countries. First, political stability. In the region, you can't ignore the importance of this factor. Second, economical growth. With the huge wealth of the Emirate of Abu Dhabi and the strong dynamism of the economy in Dubai, that's really the right place to be. Third, geographical position. We are at the crossroads of some of the fastest growing economies in the world and at the center of the oil and gas rich GCC. And also when I find myself at the Dubai airport, I really have the feeling to be at the center of the world, or at least at the center of the new world.
Now, your stock brokerage division has been enjoying remarkable results. Tell us why you are a leader in this field in the UAE.
In UAE, you have 50 stock brokerage firms operating on the Dubai financial market and the Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. So roughly, if you take 50 companies, each of them should have around 2% market shares. We are far above those figures since we reached 15% market share on the Dubai financial market and 11% market share on the Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange in terms of trading value. So this brings us to the first place in terms of trading value, but also in terms of size of clients' portfolio, where we crossed $1 billion. All that has been achieved thanks to the dedication of our team. We have the largest sales team in the country, led by our managing director of brokerage, Mr. Nabil Rantisi, who did an amazing job since he joined our company, but also thanks to the back office, finance department and IT department. Strong sales force, state-of-the-art risk management and proper execution. That's how we run the business, and that's why we are the number one in UAE.
You also have other business lines, including investment banking. Tell us about your focus for the next few years.
The first thing, we will focus on our brokerage activity to offer more products to our client, such as Forex, commodities, international trading. We'll cover all the markets of the MENA region to offer one single entry point on all those products. The second thing, we will strengthen our practice in asset management. In our case, I should speak more about wealth management, since our clients are mostly high net worth individuals based in the GCC. Third, investment banking, traditional M&A mandates, but we will also have a strong focus on IPOs, as we see a huge trend for the coming years in the UAE, especially for family-owned business. And we know from the discussions we have with the market authorities, with the regulators, that soon they will issue a new set of regulation easing the listing rules for those family-owned businesses. Finally, our financial research, we focus on a 2-page document with a lot of data, with a lot of financial ratios. And since now we cover 100% of the listed companies on the MENA region, I guess our clients are happy with it.
Several international investment banks are also based in the UAE and specifically Dubai. So how do you compete with the established names?
Yeah, you're right. Most of them are based in the offshore zone of the Dubai International Financial Center. So which means that from a legal point of view, they have the status of a foreign companies. They are not an onshore company. We are an onshore company. We are 100% Emirati, regulated by the local authorities. So for me, it's a substantial difference. But let's get things clear. We are not here to compete against Morgan Stanley, Bank of America, or HSBC. We operate on different fields. Most of the time, we try to cooperate with these international financial institutions. Each time, they need a local partner to operate onshore.
Finally, what's your outlook for the UAE economy and your role within it?
I'm extremely bullish on the UAE economy. The country is doing great under the guidance of Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, who launched the Vision 2030 for Abu Dhabi. The Emirate of Abu Dhabi engaged huge government spendings in terms of investment in infrastructures in order to totally transform the economy of the Emirate. On the Dubai side, Dubai, the city is a beacon for the whole Middle East and North Africa region. But we know that when you live there, that the ambition of His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum is not limited to the region. With the bid of Dubai to be the city hosting the Expo 2020, his ambition is really to bring the city and the whole country at the forefront of the international scene. And at MENACORP, we are proud to be an official bid supporter for Dubai 2020. Our job to support the vision of the leaders of the country and to make it really an international financial platform is to provide the best service we can to these institutions for their execution needs, and also to promote each time we can the country as a major financial center.
Fathi, thank you.
Thank you.